let's say you're having an issue with your headphones where they are connected, but it's not making any noise. Everything is turned up to max, but you're not hearing any noise. This trick of mine works on Mac, at least on my Mac, so it may work on yours. If you have another computer, a similar trick may work. It may still be worth watching. So I'm going to tell you now. So essentially, on the top of your Mac, you should have a button, or something similar. If you've got one of the pros that have a touch bar that says F5 and has a microphone symbol on top. Now, if you hold this down, you get a Siri. We don't want Siri, but if you tap it once, you get dictation. When you press it, it makes a little tone, and it basically comes up with a microphone. So let me just show you. So as you can see, there was a microphone there. And if you press it again, it makes another tone and the microphone disappears. Now, I have found that when I'm having issues with my audio, if I press that dictation once and I press it again to turn it off, then I try to click on the video that wasn't working, the audio now works in that video. So try that. It may be all you need to do. I don't exactly know the problem why it's doing it, but it seems to fix it.